Can you take a picture of the Gummy King with the fucking gummy?
Here, let me try you now.
Hold that head, wait.
How did he
You got pliers!
I do. On top of your bag down there, Logan.
Can you roll the pliers so I take the thing? He's got a knife!
Cut the...
Oh, yo, wait, okay, I got it.
No, cut the line.
Oh.
Hey, yo, watch out underneath you, dog.
Yeah, that's a good fucking net joke.
Montgomery!
Well, dude, it's my lost sister.
Your little sister's pretty fucking ugly.
You guys have the same eyes.
Oh, stop. What's that fish?
Look at him, come on now. He's gummy.
Where's the pliers at, boys?
Why do you do that?